So hello friends and welcome to our channel. If you guys facing something went wrong and we could not connect to the Minecraft services, so watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing you why this problem is coming in your Minecraft and what's the solution of this problem so that you can watch this video till end and follow these steps. And if you are new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So if you are getting the Minecraft error, oh no, something went wrong and we could not connect to the Minecraft services, please connect to the internet to refresh your offline access. Try these fixes. Check your internet, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router, make sure other apps can access the internet. Sign out and sign in again. Open Minecraft launcher, sign out of your Microsoft account, close the launcher completely, open it again and sign in. Number 3, reset Microsoft Store and Xbox app Windows, press Win plus R, type wsreset.exe, press enter and wait for the store to reset. Open the Xbox app and sign in again. Number 4, update Minecraft launcher. Open the store, check for updates for Minecraft launcher, Xbox app and gaming services. Also check the Minecraft server status. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.